start. Now, my distinguished friends have mentioned about inflation and expressed the fear that the rate of inflation may go up. May I, in all humility, say that this inflation is the result of an unprecedented drought which we had to face. What would you expect the result of the drought to be? What does it mean? It means fall in agricultural production in that particular season or seasons when the drought occurs. Therefore, if we have less agricultural production, certainly the prices will go up. It is an inflationary pressure caused by drought. It was not man-made. It was not made by the government. It was the result of an unprecedented drought. At least we should agree to accept this. It was not a man-made phenomenon. It was the result of natural calamities. The rate of inflation goes up on account of such natural calamities, whether now or in any other year. Sir, the drought this year was unprecedented by all means, but still we have tried to control the wholesale price index by supply and demand management. All the state governments have set up control rooms. Here again, we require the cooperation of the state governments. Myself or my colleague, the Minister of Civil Supplies, sitting here in Delhi alone cannot control the price situation if the government are not active and dynamic enough. In this connection, I am thankful to the state governments that they have set up control rooms. I would request honorable members to visit those control rooms in the districts. They should see whether the district magistrates are regularly visiting the control rooms, whether action is being taken against the black marketers and hoarders, whether the supply and demand management system is being looked into in all the metropolitan areas, in big cities and district headquarters, and whether the village area are receiving proper supply or not. It is not a party question. Let all of us look at what is happening in the states. You cannot blame us and praise the state governments. If the state governments are to be praised, we are also to be praised. Therefore, I would say that the constant vigilance is required on the price front. We should not be complacent, but we have to work together in this regard. Sir, mention has been made about the deficit. There has been consistent talk about the deficit. Stop.